Radhika extended herself first into 8 forms to serve Nandanandan Krishna in 8 modes of worship. They have taken a different forms. Of them, Lalita is prominent, chief, and we belong to Lalita school of thought. Lalita, Vishakha, Chitra, Indulekha, Champaklekha, Rangadevi, Tungavidya, Sudevi, 8 Shokis. There are millions of Shokis, but 8 Shokis are prominent. And they have got other personal associates, attendants. They are called Manjari.